After Dell killed off XPS 13 brand last year, the company is now bringing it back as a premium Windows-based alternative to the MacBook Neo. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. At just 12.7 millimeters thick and weighing 2.2 pounds, Dell says the XPS 13 is not only the thinnest and lightest version of the XPS, but also smaller and less hefty than Apple's Mac Neo. Apart from being a good alternative, the XPS 13 offers a bunch of premium features, including a CNC aluminum chassis, a 2.5K IPS display, quad speakers, and support for Wi-Fi 7. But the best part remains the price that starts at just $599 for students or $699 for regular folks. For high schoolers over 16 and anyone attending a degree-granting college, the base model comes with an Intel Core Series 3 CPU, 8 GB of RAM, and 256 GB of storage. However, for those with more flexible budgets, the system can be equipped with Intel Core Ultra Series 3 chips and up to 32 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. Despite the budget-friendly pricing, Dell says the company didn't want to skimp on the laptop's components. So unlike the MacBook Neo, the XPS 13 features a touch display with a 120 Hz refresh rate, a wider gamut that covers 100% of DCI-P3, and a fully backlit keyboard. Aside from that, the laptop also comes with 2 USB-C ports and a built-in webcam with support for Windows Hello. The only advantage MacBook Neo have over this is that it features a fanless design, while the XPS 13 relies on a dual-fan configuration. But if you like to work outside where your laptop might sit in direct sunlight, this active cooling system might be yet another bonus. The XPS 13 is the low-cost upscale laptop that Windows users have been hoping to get for quite some time. The laptop is slated to arrive in June, with more well-spec'd models expected to become available sometime later this summer. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.